What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be making some changes. You can see that this is the white thing that is coming. I want to remove this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna make sure that the changes are saved. Okay, and then I have to go to cross, and I'm gonna go to view page or the dashboard. So I want to go to the dashboard right here. Okay, and now I want to go to the customize. So I want to customize my this page so that it looks good. Okay. um I want to make the change to the header. So the header media, the logo, the menu, the general. So the background color is this. Okay, if I just transparent, make it transparent. um Header, border, bottom. um I want to choose this color. So I want to change the color to be, so I think this looks good. Okay, because this is matching. Or if I just choose it to be transparent, then I think it is also looking good. Yes. Okay. I think transparent looks good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish. So you can see that how my website is looking. If I just open it up, iTunesZL.com, then you guys are gonna see how this is looking. So let's just open up the contact page, and on opening the contact page, this is how my website is looking. So I'll just change this later on. We'll just change it. We'll change the color of this, but since we are working up right on the home page right now, so I think on home page it is looking a bit great. Okay, I want to go to and make some changes to my menu right here. Um, the link color. Wait. Okay. Let's just make some changes and make sure that it looks great on our website. So I'm gonna change it a bit so that it looks great. Um, Not this one, but I think the backlighting would look great on this. So this looks cool, kind of cool a bit, but triple dot under. Okay, I think I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead with this one, and I want to make the changes to this as well. Okay, I'm gonna go down, and where it says the drop down styling, so I want to go ahead with the background color to be this one. Cool. So the my background color is fully transparent, you can see. Okay, and the top border color should be fill right here. So this is looking cool. Okay, this is looking great. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish now. So let's come here. Let's just refresh your website, and you can see how this is looking. So we have our home, we have our services, we have our blog page, and then we have a contact us. So everything is great. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna come here and I'm gonna make sure that it is saved, and I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna come here with edit with Elementor, and I'm gonna increase the size of my this full width right here. So just come here. Okay, I'm gonna hit edit section, and the height should be for 600 pixel. Okay, I'm just gonna click here and you can see how my website is looking. So now I think my website is looking great. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna hit save, and now my website is saved. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video we're gonna be moving on with the new section. We're gonna create a new section for our about section, and then we're gonna go with and create a new section, and that is going to be experience, education, and everything. So stay tuned and bye bye.